For the best price, click the link in the description. The Magic Bullet Blender has been a staple in many kitchens for years, promising to revolutionize the way we blend and cook. But here's what surprised me. I've had my Magic Bullet Blender for over 2 years now, and I must say it was love at first use. The compact design, ease of cleaning, and versatility made it an instant favorite. Therefore, I thought it was the perfect addition to any kitchen. But like many of us, I soon discovered that no product is perfect. As much as I loved my Magic Bullet Blender, I started experiencing some problems. The blades would get stuck, making it difficult to blend certain ingredients. And when I tried to make smoothies with frozen fruit, the machine would overheat and stop working altogether. Therefore, I began to wonder if this was just a matter of user error or if there were deeper issues at play. I dug deeper into online reviews and forums to see if others had experienced similar problems. It turns out many people have reported issues with the Magic Bullet Blender's performance, maintenance, and customer support. One reviewer even mentioned that the company's customer service was unresponsive and unhelpful. Therefore, I started to question whether the benefits of this product outweigh its drawbacks. So, what makes the Magic Bullet Blender so problematic? Let me break it down for you. The Magic Bullet Blender uses a patented system called extractor blade technology, which supposedly allows for faster blending and easier cleaning. However, some users have reported that this technology can be finicky and prone to jamming. Therefore, I began to wonder if this was just a marketing gimmick. Another issue I encountered was the Magic Bullet Blender's lack of power. While it's great for making small batches of soup or sauces, it struggles with thicker mixtures like smoothies or protein shakes. Therefore, you may find yourself having to stop and restart the machine multiple times, which can be frustrating. In terms of maintenance, the Magic Bullet Blender requires frequent cleaning to prevent clogging and bacterial growth. However, some users have reported that the company's recommended cleaning methods don't work effectively, leaving behind residue and making it difficult to clean. Therefore, you may find yourself wasting more time than necessary trying to get your Magic Bullet Blender in working order. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't this just a minor inconvenience? Unfortunately, these problems can add up and make the Magic Bullet Blender less convenient than promised. Therefore, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before deciding if this product is right for you. If you're still interested in trying out the Magic Bullet Blender despite its drawbacks, I recommend checking out some online deals or discounts. However, be sure to read reviews carefully and understand what you're getting yourself into. In conclusion, while the Magic Bullet Blender may have been a game changer for some users, it's not without its problems. Therefore, it's crucial to approach this product with caution and consider alternative options that better meet your blending needs. For the best price, click the link in the description.